Hey, what's up YouTube? This is Lawman FJ. Got another case for the Galaxy S22 ULTRA. Now this case is another rugged case. I haven't heard of this company before, but let's go ahead and take a look at it and see what it's all about. Okay, this case is made by PandaGlass. It's the PandaGlass Shockproof case designed for the Galaxy S22 ULTRA. Military grade, drop tested, hard back, soft edge, anti-scratch, camera protection for the S22 ULTRA. All right, it's a black right here. Here's some pictures. Blow it up a little bit. This is what you get. You got that corner protection right there. It's a little bit bolstered on there. Two-piece hard back piece TPU and a bumper, rubber bumper, non-slip stripes, and camera protection, screen protection because it's raised up on the screen, and support wireless charging. So should be a pretty good case. You got $11.96 on Prime. You can get a coupon as well, 15% if you clip that. I'll put the link in the description for you if you want to get it. Okay, here's the packaging. Pretty simple packaging right here. Just a case, mobile case, not much else on there. This is pretty common for inexpensive cases, this kind of wrapper right here. So let's pull this out. See what it's all about. All right, so it's a light case. Let's get this to the side right here. But the case, you know, the sides are actually fairly thin, but you got these bolstered corners here. I think it's going to help when it does fall on the side. And you got a indented sides right here, so that's good for grip. So that's great. I like the way it's designed. And you got the power button right there, bottom down rocker there open. You got your camera button right here, and it's got some protection inside there where you have this fixed area right here, and that's going to be well protected. Industrial look, you see you got the screws right there. That's pretty cool. And these are the stripes they're talking about. You got a little bit of detail right there. See the shiny area right there. And charging port, you got your speaker, and you got your S Pen opening, and clean on this side, and you got your mic opening right there. This is not a bad looking case actually. Two-piece case. Here's a rubber piece right there. You can see that, how that separates, and then you got your TPU back right there, all right? Now let's go ahead and get the device and put it inside and see what it looks like. Okay, we got the S22 ULTRA right here. Let's go ahead and pop this in. Now this case almost reminds me, kind of reminds me of the Renke Fusion X, except it's got the back is not clear. And you know, it does offer good protection. It feels good in the hand actually, and these indented areas here help with grip. So this is not a bad case. You got it's thick on the bottom, so you're going to have some protection there. You see that indentation right there, and same thing on the top. So this is going to offer good protection, and the camera is well protected, no problem there. Okay, and your power button works, no problem. And you got your opening for your mic and your charging port, your speaker, and your S Pen. You can get to it, no problem there. And you got your mic hole up top. You can see that hole right there. So not a bad case, all right? Good grip, and it looks pretty good, okay? Now, we're going to get the wireless charger and put it on and see how that works. Okay, we're going to check out wireless charge on this case. Let's put it on. Okay, so picked it up laying down. Let's stand this up and see what happens when we do that. So picked it up right there, no problem. Let's lay it on the side and see what happens. So picked it up on the side as well. So wireless charge works pretty well with this case. All right, so that's great. Okay, so that was a quick look at the PandaGlass Shockproof case for the Galaxy S22 ULTRA. It's a nice case actually. It only costs you about 11 bucks, 11, 12 bucks. And it feels good in the hand, and it's going to offer good protection. So I do recommend this case. I think the value and what you get for it is pretty good. So let me know what you think about this case on the S22 ULTRA. Now, if you got any questions, hit me up in the comments. If you like the video, give me a thumbs up. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button down below for videos like this. This is Lawman FJ, out.